Welcome back to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. We're gonna unbox the CJRB special guest appearance, Demko AD 20.5. This video has been long in the making. Got this thing well over a month ago. So let's see what we got here. You know, I just love when things get stuck inside the box. Makes it so much easier. Definitely don't need that anymore, but we know why it's in there. And here it is. The CJRB Gobi. Gobi. And there you have. Nice G10 handle. Got a nice backspace there with a bright orange. I like the orange. Pocket clip is reversible. And nice size, about 5 inches. Smooth. Nice. Deploy is easy. You got ceramic ball bearing pivot. Very, very slick. That's Gobi. There we go. That's that Gobi blade shape. It's popular. Sleek, curved. Absolutely degenerate. Got a trailing point design, long belly. Excellent for slicing and processing tasks. Whips open. Unique, ergonomically upswept blade. It's nice. Feels good in the hand. And it's one hand friendly, as you can see. I can swivel this and close it. Wow, that is very light. Which is pretty, yeah, it's pretty efficient. It's pretty efficient. And let's see how sharp it is. We're gonna do a precision test on this blade, which is why the box you see is somewhat small. Yeah, look at this small little box. We're gonna cut this box in more ways than you can imagine. Starting in the front. Very precise. Not too nagmatic. But yeah, we're gonna slice this sucker, and it's so far it's smooth. I'm liking this. And boom, there we are. Magnificent, I'd say. That's what you call an hoyo, aka degenerate hole. And let's try a tighter end. Whoa, I almost ate it there. And as you can see, you can really get thin precision here. Not bad. That was some real thin precision. And let's try this side. A little bit tougher. That might be a flap in the back of that. I think I can feel. But the blade allows you to maneuver. You see that curve on the top of the blade. It's a slight curve, but it lets you place your finger up top right there. And there it is. And we do have a flap. Let's see if we can get this flappy off. Let's get the back. Let's get a nice open cut here. Let's really play with it. And mind you, there's not much space here, but a lot more than the corners. Let's see if we can get a perfect circle over here. Wow, a perfect square. And look at that. This is a very small box, but the knife is doing its job as it was intended. Yeah, you know how they say once you start your, once you start, you can't stop. And that's all that's happening here. I'm going on a cutting frenzy. But I'm trying to make a point by using a very small box. The CJRB Gobi is precision at its finest. Well, designed for precision, I should say. Precision cuts at its finest. And it's a little bit more tougher, but I have the control. Maybe this is also might be a double flap back there. But what's good about the knife, it keeps you in control of the blade. Well, at least I feel like I have control of the blade in these positions here where you get to be a bit more careful. There's not much space there for me to cut in. And it slices right through. See, I'm going to try to get this square shape here. Wow, cut right through. And look at that. Shwam. That is pretty stellar. Pretty stellar precision cutting so far. I'm not surprised. Once I saw that blade shape, I knew exactly where my hands can go, where my finger can go, exactly, how I can drive this blade. And kind of, it's like driving Miss Daisy, driving Miss Gobi. And again, just for the viewers out there, this is just a test to see how well this blade can cut, and it is doing an amazing job. If this knife wanted to work for me, it gets the job. You are hired, my friend. This makes a great house for a hamster, the degenerate kind, or some shit, I don't know. But yeah, not bad, right? Not bad for what we have. And this is a liner lock here with the knife, which is pretty efficient. One hand jammer. Sleek. Let's do the paper test on this and see how well. Wow. Pretty impressive, would you say? That was top notch, to say the least. I'm going to leave a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact CJRB Gobi. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.